Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hi friends, today's recipe spicy, crunchy and delicious appetizer crispy corn. This dish is not only an appetizer, it can also be served as a wonderful snack and it's a perfect starter for parties. Preparation is also very quick and simple. So let's see the ingredients we need to prepare this recipe. You can also find the ingredients list in the description box. So before starting the recipe, there are some important tips to remember. Let's see. Number 1. Use only sweet corn. Regular corn will not taste good for this recipe. Number 2. If you are using frozen corn kernels, allow it to come to room temperature. Number 3. Make sure flour coating must be dry, not moist. Number 4. Don't let corn rest for more time after mixing flours. Number 5. Sometimes corn may pop out when you add into the oil, so maintain safe distance from the pan. Number 6. Make sure to fry corn in a very hot oil. Number 7. Serve crispy corn immediately, don't leave it for more time. Now let's see the preparation. Here I am using frozen corn kernels. If you are using frozen corn, rinse once. Add 4 cups of hot water. Leave it for 5 minutes or you can microwave for 1 minute. If you are using fresh corn kernels, add half teaspoon salt to the water and boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain the water. Make sure there is no excess water and transfer to a bowl. If you are using boiled corn, allow it to cool down. Once corn cools down, add 1/4 cup corn flour, 3 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder. Combine and mix gently until corn coats well with the flours. Make sure the coating must be dry, not moist. Now corn is ready to fry. Next, heat the pan. Add 2 cups oil to deep fry and heat on a medium-high flame. To check whether oil is hot, drop a corn kernel into the oil. If it rises and floats up, oil is ready to fry. Now slowly spread the corn into the oil. Do not overcrowd, you can fry into small batches. And fry on a medium flame until corn turns crisp and golden. Initially corn will pop sometimes, so cover with a splatter screen. If you don't have a splatter screen like this, you can half cover with the lid and fry for a minute. Do not cover for more than a minute. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip the corn to other side. Fry till corn turns crisp and golden. Make sure not to over fry. Once corn turns crisp and light golden, drain the excess oil and transfer to a paper towel. Now repeat the process with the remaining corn. Now fried crispy corn is ready. Transfer to the mixing bowl to toss with the spices. Now take fried corn to a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon aamchur powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 to 2 chopped green chillies, half teaspoon chopped ginger, small piece of bell pepper chopped, 1 chopped spring onion strand, 5 chopped curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves. Toss well until all spices coats well with the corn. You can also add chopped onions to this. Onion leaves some water, so if you want to add some onions, add before you serve. Finally, add 1 teaspoon lime juice. Mix once and transfer to a serving plate. Remember all the tips before you try this recipe. Crunchy and spicy crispy corn is ready. Serve like an appetizer or a snack. If you are planning to prepare this recipe for parties, make sure to prepare in large batches because your guests gonna love it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.